Ever pondered about the invisible threads that keep us connected to the world? Yes, we're talking about wireless networks. These unseen connectors are the lifeblood of our modern life, allowing us to email, stream, game, and even work from the comfort of our homes or the corner coffee shop. But how do these networks function? And what types exist out there? Let's demystify the world of wireless networks. Firstly, wireless networks are a type of computer networking that is not hardwired, meaning they use radio waves to transport information. They've become essential in our daily lives, facilitating everything from our daily morning news update to our late-night Netflix binge. They are what keep us connected to the wider world at all times, without the need for a physical connection. There are four main types of wireless networks. The first is wireless personal area networks, or WPANs. These are short-range networks that connect devices within a relatively small area using Bluetooth technology. Imagine your wireless headphones connecting to your smartphone, or your smartwatch syncing with your laptop. That's a WPAN at work. Next, we have wireless local area networks, or WLANs. These use radio waves instead of Bluetooth and provide connections over a larger area. This is the type of wireless network most of us are familiar with. It's what connects our devices to the internet, at home or in the office. Then there are wireless wide area networks, or WPANs. These provide connectivity over large areas, such as cities or even countries. These networks rely on multiple satellite systems or mobile phone signals. Lastly, we have wireless metropolitan area networks, or WMANs. These are designed to connect several different WLANs within a metropolitan area, like a city. Between these four, for personal use and small businesses, WPAN and WLAN are the most relevant. The choice between the two depends on your specific needs and the coverage area required. So, are you ready to unravel the mysteries of these unseen connectors? Let's dive into the first type. Imagine your personal bubble of connectivity. That's what a wireless personal area network, or WPAN, is all about. Picture this. You're in your home office, and you've got your laptop on your desk, your smartphone in your pocket, and your wireless headphones on. All these gadgets are within arm's reach, and they all need to interact with each other. This is where WPAN comes into play. A wireless personal area network, or WPAN, is a type of network that's designed to operate over a small area, typically within a reach of about 30 feet. That's roughly the distance across a good-sized living room. At the heart of a WPAN is Bluetooth technology, named after a 10th century Danish king who was known for his ability to bring people together. Bluetooth is all about making connections. Bluetooth technology allows your devices to communicate with each other wirelessly, forming a network that's centered on you. So, how does it work? Well, when you pair your Bluetooth headset with your laptop, for example, they establish a communication link. This link is a two-way street, allowing data to be sent and received. Your laptop sends audio data to your headset, and your headset sends control data back to your laptop. All this happens wirelessly within your personal area network. But it's not just about headsets and laptops. WPAN can connect a wide range of compatible devices, such as printers, keyboards, mice, and even smart home devices, like lights and thermostats. Anything within that 30-foot range can potentially be part of your WPAN. In essence, a WPAN is like your personal bubble of connectivity. It's a network that's centered on you, connecting the devices you use every day. It's your own little slice of the wireless world, providing a seamless and convenient way for your devices to interact. So, that's WPAN, your personal connectivity bubble. But what if we want to go a bit further? Stepping outside your personal bubble, we encounter the wireless local area network, or WLAN. Imagine a spider web with each thread representing a connection. In the center of this web, we have a router, acting as the heart of our network. This router is our access point, and it's connected to the internet via a wired connection. The magic happens when this router starts broadcasting a wireless signal, creating our WLAN. WLANs are unique because they use radio waves to transmit data, not Bluetooth technology like WPANs. These radio waves are like invisible threads, connecting all our devices to the internet. Whether you're streaming your favorite show on your laptop or scrolling through social media on your phone, you're using WLAN. The range of a WLAN can be quite extensive, covering a single room or even an entire building. This makes WLANs the ideal choice for homes and offices alike. Imagine having a device in every room, from your smart fridge in the kitchen, your smart TV in the living room, to your laptop in the study, all connected seamlessly by WLAN. But it doesn't stop there. WLANs can be extended to cover an entire campus or a large office complex. This is done using special technologies like spread spectrum or OFDM. These technologies allow the WLAN to cover a larger area and support thousands of users at the same time. So, whether you're working from home and need to connect all your devices, or you're managing a large business with hundreds of employees, WLANs have got you covered. They provide a stable, reliable connection that can support a multitude of devices, facilitating everything from online meetings to cloud-based applications. Remember, WLANs are all about connectivity. They're the invisible threads that weave together our digital lives, providing the backbone for our modern, connected world. So, WLAN gives us a wider reach, but what if we need to cover a whole city or even a country? For those who dream big, we have the wireless wide area networks, or WPAN, and wireless metropolitan area networks, or WPAN. These networks are designed to cover vast expanses, connecting cities, countries, and even continents. Let's start with WPAN, shall we? This is a network that extends over large areas, and when we say large, we mean it. WPAN can cover a city, a country, and more. How is this possible? It's all thanks to multiple satellite systems, antenna sites, and mobile phone signals. With such a wide coverage area, WWANs provide a reliable way to stay connected when other forms of network access are unavailable. They're like a massive safety net for your connectivity needs. But what if you're looking to connect several different WLANs in a metropolitan area, perhaps different buildings in a city? That's where WPAN steps in. It's like a superconductor, linking different WLANs together seamlessly. It's the network that ensures that your office in the heart of the city can connect with your other office on the outskirts without a hitch. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it for me? Well, if you're an individual user or a small business, you're probably going to be more focused on WPAN and WLAN. These networks are perfect for connecting devices within a short range, like within your home or office. But if you're a big corporation, a city, or a country, WLAN and WPAN are your go-to. These networks are the unsung heroes of our modern world. They ensure that essential services like emergency response systems, public transportation, and even your favorite food delivery app can function seamlessly across vast distances. So even if you don't use them directly as an individual, they're hard at work behind the scenes, making your life easier. With WWAN and WMAN, we've covered a lot of ground. But what about the standards that govern these networks? Behind every efficient system, there are stringent standards. In the world of wireless networks, these are the IEEE 800 and 2.11 and Wi-Fi technologies. When we discuss wireless networks, it's impossible to do so without mentioning the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, or IEEE. They are responsible for the 802.11 standard, a set of specifications that outlines an over-the-air interface for wireless clients and a base or between two wireless clients. This standard is the backbone of all Wi-Fi technology. Let's delve into the 5 Wi-Fi technologies, which are known as A, B, G, N, and AC. B and G operate on the 2.4 GHz frequency, A and AC on the 5 GHz frequency, and N utilizes both 2.4 and 5 GHz frequencies. However, for your home or business, you'll likely be choosing between wireless G, N, or AC, as routers supporting only wireless B are no longer in production. So, which one is right for you? If you're a small business owner, you might want to consider wireless AC routers. They have excellent broadcast capability and allow multiple devices to perform optimally simultaneously. Some even come with added security features and server hosting capabilities. For those running a home office, wireless N routers could be a perfect fit. They can support several computers and other electronic devices at the same time, ensuring smooth performance even when running computers, entertainment systems, and other peripheral items all at once. However, if you're considering wireless G routers, be aware that they may not be the best choice for small offices. They may struggle to connect a large number of devices or handle complex programs and cloud applications on the internet. Before you make a purchase, it's crucial to ensure that the wireless interfaces on your devices are compatible with your chosen technology. Not all devices will support wireless AC, for instance. With the right standards and the right choice, wireless networks can truly revolutionize our connectivity. So next time you connect to a network, remember the invisible threads that make it possible.